Olive oil and lemon are already sitting in most kitchens. Nothing glamorous about either one on its own. Mix them together, though, and you get a combination people have been using for its effect on digestion, heart health, inflammation, skin, and even weight. If you've come across a version of this with honey added, this is the honey-free take, for anyone who wants the same benefits without the extra sugar. Why this combo works. Olive oil earns its superfood reputation from a long list of medicinal compounds packed inside it. It carries antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties tied to lower rates of obesity, reduced heart problems, and better blood sugar control. Lemon brings its own strengths to the table. Natural lemon juice is loaded with vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium, nutrients that help strengthen your immune system and fight off infections. And even though lemon tastes acidic, it actually has an alkalizing effect on your body once it's metabolized, giving your system a natural detox boost. Put these two together, and you've got a mixture built to support multiple organs and systems at once. A natural ally for digestion. Lemon water has long been used as a gentle way to keep things moving and prevent constipation. Olive oil brings its own mild laxative effect to the table, often gentler than over-the-counter options. The fat in olive oil pulls extra water into your stool, softening it and making it easier to pass. Together, the two support smoother, more comfortable bowel movements without any harsh side effects. Support for a healthy heart cholesterol plays a major role in heart disease. When LDL cholesterol builds up in your arteries, it slows blood flow to your heart, and over time, that can lead to serious problems. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help bring LDL levels down. Pair that with lemon's vitamin C content, and you've got a combination that supports cardiovascular health from two directions. Low vitamin C levels have actually been linked to a higher risk of heart attack and stroke, which makes lemon's contribution here worth noting. Fighting inflammation from the inside out. Chronic inflammation sits at the root of many health issues, cancer included. Both olive oil and lemon carry antioxidants that help keep inflammation in check. Olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal, and researchers have found it works in a way similar to ibuprofen when it comes to easing pain and lowering inflammation. Lemon adds its own layer of protection, with antioxidants that neutralize free radicals tied to a number of chronic conditions. Skin that glows from within. Vitamin C, found in high amounts in lemon, is believed to reduce wrinkles and offset some of the damage caused by sun exposure. Olive oil's monounsaturated fats may play a similar protective role. One study found that people who consumed more olive oil showed fewer visible signs of aging over a 2-year period than those who consumed less. Olive oil also contains vitamin E, a nutrient long recognized for supporting skin health. Keeping extra weight in check. Olive oil carries a fair number of calories, so it's easy to assume it works against weight loss. Research says otherwise. Lemon's polyphenol antioxidants have been shown to play a role in reducing weight gain. In one Spanish study, participants were split into 2 groups, one that cooked with olive oil and one that used other oils. 6 years later, the olive oil group had lower obesity rates. Part of the reason, olive oil helps lower lipotoxicity, meaning less fat builds up around your organs. Its monounsaturated fat content also supports fat loss on its own. How to make it. 1 teaspoon fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil. Mix the two together and drink it first thing in the morning, before eating anything else, for the best results. A couple of things worth getting right. Choose extra virgin olive oil bottled in an opaque container from the start of production. Light exposure triggers photooxidation, which strips away many of the oil's beneficial properties. Source your lemons from somewhere you trust. Skipping the honey means fewer calories, which matters if shedding a few pounds is part of your goal this season. Quick recap. 1. Supports digestion. 2. Backs a healthy heart. 3. Helps lower inflammation. 4. Supports skin health. 5. May help manage weight. New research on this combination comes out every year, And each study seems to uncover another reason to keep it in your routine.